Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In my previous videos I showed you how we can make a secure login system in code.org Applab. In this video I'll be showing how we can advance it so that if we just type owner in the login screen right here, just owner in the username and hit login will be directed to this owner screen. So before starting, I will show you the design required. You just have to make two more screens named screen underscore owner, which is this one, and screen underscore delete, which is this one. So the owner will have the access to delete anyone's account. Yeah. So let's code. Before coding the real part, first I'll fix some issues. So come in the forgot screen code, and here instead of email records i.email, right, records i.username. And here also in the email part, email and colon write username. Yes, so it's done. The issue is fixed. The issue really was that when we hit this write our email. Okay, so I have my account. Enter my email xyz@gmail.com. Click check. We would get our email instead of username, and we don't want that because we're already entering our email and not getting our username. So I fixed this that we get username instead of email and password here. So I can click back. Yes, and there is one more one more flaw. There is one more issue that when we hit this bag, this all remains the same. This don't get cleared up. So I can quickly shred this. I can copy this part. Sorry, I can copy it. Now I can paste it right here. Okay, like this, and remove all this. Just write empty thing. Don't write anything inside it. Empty. So it will empty it, and again paste it. Remove this. Sorry. Remove this whole. Okay, and here write to change the ID to text input 8. Input 8. So yeah, it says it's done. So if you quickly just check it once, I click on login, I click on forgot, I can write xyz@gmail.com and click check. It will show our username and password. I click on back, again click on it, and everything's cleared up. Yes, so it's now good to go. There is one more issue, so I'll quickly again fix that. Now where was that? So the issue really is that when we log in and we are directed to the screen, when we click on sign out, all of this is cleaned up, but the label here that invalid username or password is not cleared up. So this is the code for that, I think. So yes, this is the code. I'll copy this again, set text, paste it right here. Now I'll have to check the ID for that. The ID for that label is label 7. So I quickly change it to label 7. So it's done. Now if I quickly check it once, click on login, my username, my email, okay, and password hello. Sorry, I wanted to show invalid username or password error. When I write hello, login, we're logged in, sign out, and everything's cleared up. Perfect. So now let's begin to code the real part. So what I actually want, I told before that whenever we click on this login button, if the text in the username field is just the owner, is just written owner, and email and password fields are blank, then it will take us to the owner screen. This one, and the owner will have the access to delete anyone's account from this screen. So let's begin. We'll start by coding from here. So go in the login screen's code and go into the main logic where we created how the user will get logged in. So inside it, but outside the read records, write an if statement. So if get text input, you should get text from text input underscore username is equals to owner and and get text input underscore password is equals to space. Now this and this. Now write an else statement too. Now this, and end the else statement outside the read records loop right here. Sorry, here. Like this. Now give some spaces to them so they get formatted. This, sorry, and it's done. Now inside write set screen to screen underscore owner and a semicolon. So let's check if it's working. So I write owner here, owner. Now in the password field I have to give a space or else it won't work, because I did the code like this, and you can see we signed in just for security so that no one writes just the owner and signed in to our account. So I gave a space there, that because if we don't give a space here and just write owner here, okay, and I didn't give a space here, then it will just throw an error that didn't get the table name and the program won't work. That's why I gave a space here to make it little secure. So we're signed in, and now when I write my correct details, binary bytes, sorry, xyz@gmail.com, password hello, on login. Now I'm on this screen, not on the owner screen. So now let's code for the delete thing, for delete account thing, but first we'll code for the sign out thing. Now let's comment in the bottom. Let's give a comment owner screen. Inside right or not right, you can copy this code. You can just copy it. You go down, write it here, change the ID to button 3. Button 3. Click set the screen to screen underscore choose one. Choose one and set text input underscore username to blank, and copy this, put it again here, change the username to password, and it's done. So the sign out thing is done. So if you quickly just check it, owner, write nothing but space here, you can log in, I get here, and everything is cleared up. So it's all working. Now we'll just again copy this, paste it right here, remove all this. Okay, go in the screen underscore owner, and code for this button. The ID for this is button 1, and set the screen inside right, set the screen underscore delete and semicolon. Now put another comment about delete screen. Okay, and inside right, so now I'll go to the delete screen part. Now first code for this back button on event button 4, click function semicolon, and inside right set the screen to the screen underscore owner and semicolon. Now let's code the logic that how it will delete. It's pretty easy because there's just this little predefined function delete record, so we'll use that. Now paste again the code here, remove all this, and inside right, or we can just drag it right here, delete record. Now remove this success in the function field, let the id to be 1, and id to be id 2. Just do it multiple times because I'll tell you later. Paste it. Think this is fine, or paste it once again. So now change the IDs to this is will be 3, or we can just remove it. For this tutorial I'll just keep it like this, but if you want to I'll explain why I was doing that. So but first just do this, get text from text input 1, and inside right set screen to screen underscore owner and a semicolon. So the reason why I was doing all these was because, like, if I go in data, I just run my program once, click on sign up, my username, my email, outlook.com, password as hi, confirm password hi. Now if I click on create many times, you can see that when I enter, I get many IDs. Now if you check it, like now if I click login, I log in as owner, I write password is just space, click on login, I'm here, delete records, xyz @outlook.com, click on delete. So this is not working. Oh yeah, I just know why. Because I by mistake put the wrong ID here. So please check it. Wait a second. So go in the screen underscore delete. The ID for the delete button is button 10. By mistake I wrote button 3. Sorry. Now you can, if I click on run from owner, password I just leave it blank for this. Write my email. Write Outlook. Click on delete, and you can see the first ID was deleted, but all these are remain. So now if I click on this, I click on login, I write my email my username, email address, my password hi. Now you can see I'm again login when I deleted the account because all these are left. So I was doing that to make sure that all the IDs are deleted, and the user doesn't have it left so that he can again log in. That's why I was doing that, but for this tutorial I'll just keep it short and I won't do that, but if you want you can do that. So this is just this. So you can see that our system is working, which we just created. So because if I just delete my this account, like going to here, owner, with this, delete account, gmail.com, click on delete, you can see that this one is deleted, and now I cannot log in with this, because if I click binary bytes, email as gmail, password as hello, you can see that we cannot log in by this. So it's just this which I wanted to show. Now I'll fix two issues that are occurring here, that once we click this back, all this should just clear up. So the code for this is right here, I guess, in the login screen part. I have to see its ID. It's button 6, so it must be this one. Sorry, this. Copy this set text, all of these, okay, and just paste all of these here. Yeah, so first one is done. Now code for this one, and this also paste it, but remove all this. We just need one set text, which is this one, and inside write go to screen underscore delete text input 1, text input 1. It's all done. Now as you can see, our login system is complete. We have this little owner. We can type space, can log in. I have the access to delete anyone's account, but if I don't want to, yeah. And another thing that, sorry, copy this here, Control C, and paste it inside this also. So yeah, now it's done. So let's check. I can delete all these tables. And start by signing up. Binary bytes, email, gmail.com, password, hello, confirm password. If I write hi, sorry, if I click on sign up again, write hi, it won't create a table because passwords do not match. I have to write hello, it will create a table, will be directed on this screen. And I just have to fix this issue that all of this is not clearing up. So where is the code for this? Screen sign up. Yes, here it is. Okay, now paste all of this here again 4 times like this here, and this too. Sorry. Now 5 times. Sorry. Again pasted here, and change all these to IDs of these, which is text input 7, 4, 5, 6. Text input 7, 4, 5 and 6. 5, 6, and the label here, label 8. Label 8. Now copy all of this and paste it in the else. No, not in the statement. Now, yes. So now it's again done. And yeah, in label 5 also. This. Change the formatted little. So now it's completely done. Now let's check if there is any other issue here. Sign up. Just write my details. Sorry, this will throw an error obviously. Bytes 5. Passwords do not match. Now if they do, delete. No, I can click on this because I don't want to create. Now if I click, everything is cleared up. Okay, so yeah, so it's kind of working. So yeah, so I showed you how we can make a login system, and if you haven't seen my parts for the first part and the second part of this login system, then the link for those is in the description. You can check those out. Yes, and this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So bye bye.